Is your desktop looking a little dull? Let's fix that. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform your standard Windows interface into this stunning, totally transparent, glass-like aesthetic. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. We are going to be tweaking some system settings to get this look perfect. You don't want to miss a step and end up with a glitchy screen, so follow along closely. Let's get into it.
First up, we need to grab the tool that makes this customization possible. Open your browser of choice, type in windhawk.net, and hit enter. Once the page loads up, look for the main download button right in the center of the screen. Go ahead and click that to save the installer to your computer. Once the file finishes downloading, go ahead and run the installer to get Windhawk set up on your PC. It's a standard installation, so just follow the prompts. Now, since I've already installed it on my system to save us some time, I'm going to skip the setup and just launch the application directly. If you run into any problems during the setup or have any questions about the settings, drop a comment down below. I'll try to reply to as many as I can to help you guys out. Now that we have Windhawk up and running, let's start customizing. Go ahead and click on the Explore tab at the top of the window. First, we need to customize the Start menu. Use the search bar or scroll down to find the mod labeled Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Once you see it, click on the Details button to open the mod page. In your case, you will likely see an Install button on the right side. Go ahead and click that and wait for the installation to finish. Since I have already installed this mod previously, mine shows an Update button, but the process is exactly the same for you. Once the installation is complete, click on the Settings tab. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Theme. Click it and from the list select Translucent Start Menu. This will give us that base glass effect. Once that is selected, scroll down and make sure to click Save Settings. Now, let's navigate back to the Explore tab. Next, we are going to modify the taskbar. Search for the Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Just like before, click on Details and then hit the Install button. Once it is installed, switch over to the Settings tab. Here, you have an important choice to make regarding the look of your setup. Under the Theme section, you can select Translucent Taskbar if you want a blurred, glass-like bar. However, you can also select Simple Transparent if you want to achieve 100% transparency, where the taskbar completely disappears. Matching the theme is entirely up to you. In my case, I'm going to select Simple Transparent because I prefer the clean, invisible look. Once you have made your choice, click Save Settings and head back to the main menu. We also need to make sure the notification area matches the rest of the desktop. Search for the Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. Open the details and install the mod. Once installed, go to the Settings tab. Under the Theme options, select Translucent Shell. This will ensure your notifications don't look out of place. Click Save Settings and let's move on to the next one. Now, let's apply this look to your folders. Find the Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Click Install, and once that is done, head into the Settings. Look for the Theme option again, and this time select Translucent Explorer. This is going to apply that nice see-through effect to all your file windows. Click Save Settings and go back one last time. Finally, search for the mod called Translucent Windows. This is the most important part of the entire tutorial, so please follow these settings exactly. Open the details and install it. Go to the Settings tab. There are a few specific boxes we need to check here. First, make sure that Window Theme Custom Rendering is turned on. Next, ensure that New System Colors is also turned on. After that, check that the option for Windows Theme and Accent Colorizer is also turned on. Now, look for the section labeled Background Translucent Effects. In the drop-down, select Blur. Finally, we need to enter a specific color code. Look for the field labeled Accent Blur Behind Color Blend. Inside that box, type exactly this code, 8C000000. That is the number 8, the letter C, followed by 6 zeros. Double-check that all your settings match what I have shown here. Once you are sure, click Save Settings. As you can see, our Windows interface is now fully translucent and looks completely different from the default desktop. If this tutorial helped you level up your setup, please do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, share this video with a friend who needs a desktop upgrade, and don't forget to subscribe. This is just the beginning. In the upcoming parts of this series, I am going to show you how to push this even further. We will be covering how to get even more transparency, fix common glitches, and add custom blur effects that aren't available in the standard settings. You definitely don't want to miss that.